Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the display. Here let's scroll down just a little bit to find the sleep, so let's enter, and here we've got some options from which you can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. What's more, we can set the option never, which simply means that your device will never black out. So currently I've got 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is marked, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option click to use. So I will pick 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.